Working with industrial automation and have an EAS symbol file from RSLogix. These contain symbol definitions for Allen Bradley PLC programming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these RSLogix symbol files in industrial automation projects. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor EAS errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. EAS files are symbol files used by RSLogix programming software for Allen Bradley PLC's programmable logic controllers. They contain tag definitions, data type assignments, and symbol mappings enabling structured programming of industrial automation systems with meaningful names rather than raw memory addresses for ladder logic and structured text programs. EAS symbol files use Rockwell Automation's proprietary format, storing tag definitions with names, data types, initial values, and address mappings. The structure includes scope information, user-defined data types, alias relationships, and documentation comments supporting comprehensive symbolic programming workflows in industrial automation applications. For the EAS file type, RSLogix 5 from Rockwell Automation Inc. is a trusted and reliable source. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows displays only foundational metadata, so analyzing the content requires dedicated software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your EAS file and select Open With. If RSLogix 5 is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If your EAS file will not open, do not worry. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in RSLogix. Launch RSLogix 500 or RSLogix 5000, Studio 5000, Logix Designer, and Use File. Then open or import functions to load EAS symbol files. The software integrates symbols into the active PLC project, making tags available for ladder logic, structured text, and other programming environments throughout the automation project. Next, importing tag databases. Use RSLogix import functions to merge EAS symbols into existing PLC projects. Navigate to Import Options. Select EAS files and choose Merge or Replace behavior for existing symbols. This enables sharing tag definitions between projects, standardizing automation programming across multiple PLC installations or production lines. Finally, examining symbol definitions. Open EAS files in text editors or RSLogix tag browsers to inspect symbol definitions. Some EAS formats use readable text, allowing review of tag names, data types, and addresses. This examination helps in understanding existing programs, documenting tag usage, and verifying symbol consistency across automation projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.